Morning everyone. How are you all? We all teachers are hoping that you all are very fine and doing study at your homes. Okay. So dear students, yesterday we start chapter number 2. Yesterday we started chapter number 2. Yesterday we started chapter number 2, our food. Okay. In this category we learnt many things. First, when we feel hungry, then we will eat what? We will eat food. Yes, when we will feel hungry, we will eat food. And food gives us what? Food gives us, क्या देता है हमें? Food. Yes, food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play, and food help you to grow up well. Now you all are very small. When you will eat healthy foods, then you will grow up faster. Okay, so in this series we learnt yesterday about the sources of food. Okay, in that category we have two type of sources. Yes, sources of food. We have two sources of food. First one is plants. And second one is animals. See why I am revising all these things, because you are not in the classroom. So connectivity should be there with the lectures. That's why whenever I will start taking the lectures, I always try to explain all the things whatever we have done yesterday or day before yesterday's lectures. Okay, because you are getting EVS lectures twice in a week. 3 times you are getting EVS lecture in a week. Okay, so that's why I am trying to make the continuity of the lecture. That's why I am repeating the things again and again, so you can understand nicely. Yesterday we learnt all about the plants. Okay, plants is the rich source of food. Plants is the very much rich source of the food, and we all are eating all the parts of the plant in different forms. See, are you getting, are you understanding? हम जितने भी plants के parts होते हैं वो सब किसी ना किसी रूप में खाते ही हैं. Okay, we all are eating all the parts of the plants in different forms. Okay, see first root. Okay, we are eating the roots of the plants also in the form of carrot, radish, onion, and what we can say, when you will go in Navgraha fair, that time you are telling to your papa, I want to eat that garam, what I am forgetting the name, garadu. Yes, garadu is the also part of the plant, and garadu is the roots of a plant. So I want to tell you that we are eating all types of food in the form of all type of parts of the plant. Okay, and second is stem. We are eating stem also in the form of potato, ginger, and sugar cane. And then leaves. Yes, we are eating all types of leafy vegetable. We are eating all type of leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable means the leaves of the plant, and we are eating. Yes, during winter season your mama always making methi ka paratha for you. Okay, methi ka paratha, palak ki puriyan, and in summer season you all are eating the पुदीना की चटनी. Yes. So mint is also leaves, and we are eating. Okay, then the seeds. We are eating seeds in the form of corn, wheat, pea, and all type of grains, and then fruits and flour and all. Okay, but have you ever think maximum number of vegetables we are eating after cooking? We are eating after cooking it. बिना पकाए हम उसे नहीं खा सकते हैं. Okay, but some vegetables we can eat raw. Okay, and what is the mean by raw? Raw means kacha. Okay, we can eat radish, carrot, tomato, cucumber. Okay, and many more things without cooking. Okay, but many types of vegetables we cannot eat without cooking, and all type of cereals. Cereal means we call in Hindi अनाज. हर तरीके का जो अनाज होता है वो हम बिना पकाए we cannot eat without cook. Okay, so yesterday we learnt about all these things. Today we will learn in page number 12 food from animals. Today I will explain you how and which type of food we are getting from the animals. Okay, so this paragraph, food from animals, I am going to explain you. Okay, food from animals. Okay, see my dear students, first tell me what main things we are getting from animals. Tell me the main things and we are taking from the animals is. Yes, I am waiting for your answer, but you cannot give me answer because you are right now not in the classroom. So I will give you the answer. Milk. Yes, first we are getting milk from the animals. Okay, and we cannot start our day without having milk, tea, coffee and all. Suppose your mama is going to prepare tea for your papa and milk is not at home in your refrigerator, then what your mama will tell to your papa? Mama will tell to your papa, please go and buy milk for me so I can prepare tea for us. Okay, it means milk is the very much necessary part of our life, and we are getting milk from the cow, buffalo, goat and all, and we are getting milk from camel and yak also. But people who are living in desert areas, they are getting the milk from the camel and yak. Okay, so we all are using milk in various forms in our life. We all are using milk in various forms in our daily life. Okay, some people are having tea in the morning, some are having the milk and coffees and all. When you will wake up in the morning, after brushing, your mama will give you a glass of milk. Okay, it means we all are starting our day with the milk. And milk comes from the animals. So today we will talk about the milk and and milk product. Milk and milk product. Okay. So, have you ever think how many things we are getting from milk? How many things we are getting from milk, and we are eating in different forms. We are eating all these things in different forms. Okay, see, suppose if you want to eat paneer vegetable, then you have to buy the paneer from the shop, and the shopkeeper gets the paneer from the milk only. And some mamas are making paneer at their homes, but they all are using the milk. So paneer is the specially made by the milk, and paneer is the milk product. And the cheese, buttermilk, and all, and maximum number of sweets are making with the milk, like Rasgulla, Mishti Doi, all types of Kolkata sides sweets, especially they all are making with the help of milk. So we all are getting milk and milk product from the animals. Okay. See, milk plays very important role in our life. When you will drink more milk, your height will increase. Okay, you will get perfect calcium which is required to your body. And paneer and butter, curd, buttermilk, these all are the names of the milk product. These all are the names of the milk product, and milk product gives us protein. Milk product is the rich source of proteins, and we all are getting protein from the milk and the milk product. Okay, now some birds are giving us eggs. Some birds are giving us eggs. In this category, duck and hen will come. In this category, duck and hen will come, and we are eating eggs. Okay, all the non-vegetarian people, they are eating eggs, and we are eating eggs from where? From the animals. From the animals, and eggs is the rich source of protein. Eggs is the rich source of protein. Okay, so this milk and milk product and the eggs, as well as we are getting honey and meat also. We are getting honey and meat also from the animals. See, this topic honey I will explain you yesterday. This topic honey I will explain you yesterday, because we can get the knowledge about honey very deeply. Okay, so I will take this. Yes, I will take this day after tomorrow. Okay. Yes, so what things we learned in this chapter? We learned in this chapter about the food. When we will feel hungry, we all will eat food. Yes, it is very much correct. Food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play, and always try to eat healthy food. Always try to eat healthy foods, and we are getting food from the two sources. First one is plants and second one is animals. First one is plants and second one is animals. We are eating all the parts of the plants in different forms. We are eating all the parts of the plant in different forms. Okay, it means we are eating roots, stem, leaves, seeds, fruit, flowers, and all in the different forms. And maximum numbers of vegetables we are eating after cooking it. Maximum numbers of vegetables we are eating after cooking it. And some vegetables we can eat raw also, and some vegetables we can eat raw also. Okay, in this series we can eat all types of cereals. Okay, but we cannot eat them without cooking. Okay, so these are the sources of the plant and the sources of the animals. In this category we learnt about the milk and milk product. We learnt about the milk and milk product. We are getting milk. We cannot start our daily routine without milk, because we can prepare many things from the milk, especially tea. Okay, your papa, your mama, when they will wake up in the morning, they all need tea, even I also. Okay, so without tea we are not starting our day. So milk and the milk product. Okay, milk product, in this category paneer, cheese, butter, buttermilk, curd, and all these things will come, and these all are giving us the protein, and the milk is the rich source of the protein, and all the milk product, it also gives us protein. Okay, and in this category some birds are giving the eggs, like hen and ducks. Okay, eggs also is the rich source of the protein. People who are non-vegetarian, they are getting protein from the eggs. They are getting protein from the eggs, and all the non-vegetarian, they are having the milk and the milk product. Okay, so this explanation is quite enough. Now in our next lecture we will talk about the honey and the meat. We will talk about on these two topics. First one is honey and second one is meat. Okay, so I am hoping that you all are doing studies at your homes, and whatever exercise we had done in our lecture number, sorry I am forgetting the lecture number, but all the exercise of the chapter 1 you have to write in your notebooks, and whatever homework I gave you, you please give me reply on my WhatsApp number, so I can check your homework. I can check how you maintain your EVS notebook. So it is enough from my side. Bye bye, and keep study, stay home, stay safe. Or if you want to go out, please wear this mask and cover your nose and mouth very properly. Okay, bye.